In 2020, the COVID pandemic forced organisations to reconsider their plans, priorities and ways of delivery to meet the challenges of lockdown and social distancing. Get Berkshire Active was no different. Thankfully, our national partner, Sport England, were quick off the mark with their Tackling Inequalities Fund, aimed at helping specific audiences remain active through the pandemic. GBA became a distributor of this emergency funding, and to date we have granted over £90,000 to a diverse range of clubs and community organisations to support them in helping others remain active. Since the first lockdown in March 2020, we have supported Berkshire residents with physical activities specifically designed for older adults, women and girls, families with children, postnatal women, people with long-term health condition and disabilities. We also provided resources supporting mental well-being. As part of our Active Medicine programme, we created a learning portal and delivered online webinars for healthcare professionals and volunteers to help them start positive conversations about physical activity and encourage positive behaviour changes with confidence. Our innovative Mum Zone programme offered free virtual classes for postnatal women, with many women reporting improvements in their physical and mental well-being. Physical activity is such a positive treatment for mental health and can help support those feeling isolated. All satellite clubs ceased their work during the first lockdown. We engaged with Berkshire clubs to find out what short and long-term support was needed and delivered club development workshops and training sessions in response to their needs. As part of Activate Britwell, a programme aimed at getting more young people active, we delivered online boxing sessions. We organised and ran a range of workshops designed to develop sports clubs and organisations that deliver physical activity in Berkshire. These included awareness of mental health, developing a marketing strategy, participant experience, planning for the future and volunteer experience. Many people lost their jobs as a direct result of the pandemic crisis. Our employability programmes were adapted to the changed environment to support those who were most impacted, helping them develop confidence, mental resilience and motivation. Our Elevate programme specifically targeted younger people, whilst our Groundworks programme supported older adults across Berkshire with tailored, tangible resources, online and outdoor sessions to ensure they could stay active and benefit from physical activity in this challenging environment. Feedback from the participants in these programmes was always very positive. As part of the Ever Active programme, we supported older adults across Berkshire with tailored, tangible resources, online and outdoor sessions to ensure they could stay active and benefit from physical activity. We continued providing opportunities for learning and development across a range of topics to support continued development of skills and knowledge for individuals and organisations during this time. The Berkshire School Games were adapted to fit the new homeschooling routine, a new virtual format of the school games, and its physical activity challenges were enjoyed by thousands of pupils from across our county. We undertook 2 online surveys to understand the impact of COVID-19 on physical activity. The findings of the surveys helped us understand the barriers to staying active in our local area and guided us in creating impactful communication messages. The first survey elicited over 800 responses. The follow-up autumn survey gained a further 177 responses, and together they provided us invaluable insight. We activated and utilised multiple national campaigns to encourage and motivate Berkshire residents to remain active during the pandemic. GBA created its own Move With Us Berkshire campaign to promote physical activity as a top priority for all resident groups in this challenging time, and it was hugely popular. We delivered our annual schools conference for primary schools in a virtual format this year. Experts from the sector delivered keynotes, discussed the current challenges facing pupils, as well as providing ideas for solving them. We initiated the Healthy Active Me project and fundraised to ensure disadvantaged families and children in Berkshire are supported with fun activities, sporting kits, holiday camps and food during the pandemic. And this February, traditionally the month for the annual GBA Awards, we are delighted to recognise individuals and organisations who made contributions, big and small, to keep residents active, and celebrate our Berkshire physical activity lockdown heroes together with the whole county. Thank you so much for listening.